GROWSFIBER, a global leading manufacturer of high-quality passive optics, is headquartered in Changfeng Industrial Park, Bao'an District, Shenzhen. As a subsidiary of Gigalight, GROWSFIBER owns Manufacturing Center and Technical Center. With 16 years of technology accumulation and manufacturing experience, GROWSFIBER has become the world's leading manufacturer of high-quality passive optics. GROWSFIBER is committed to the design, development, packaging, and manufacturing of high-quality passive optics based on free space optics technology platforms and micro-assembly technology platforms. GROWSFIBER's product portfolios include passive WDM optics, fiber optic switches, high-density connectivity, fiber optic splitters, and micro-optical devices. Among them, the self-developed industrial-grade low-insertion loss 5G OMUX modules can be applied to the AAU, RU to DU section of the 5G barrier network to solve the problem of tight fiber resources in 5G fronthaul of high-density base stations. The 5G OMUX has been commercially available in large quantities worldwide. The MPO-MTP products for ultra-high-density data center cabling can greatly reduce the cabling cost and space, fully meet the needs of the application side, and simplify user cabling management. The categories are complete and can be flexibly combined according to actual needs to achieve 200G or 400G network connections. Since its establishment, GROWSFIBER has been adhering to the corporate purpose of serving value customers in the global communications and internet fields and has opened up a broad market space around the world and spared no effort to provide customers with cutting-edge leading technology and application solutions. GROWSFIBER has outstanding performance in the four major areas of data center, 5G barrier network, metropolitan area network, and access network. In order to promote the commercial use of 5G, GROWSFIBER has deeply customized an industrial-grade high-end leading solution. The solution adopts industrial-grade passive CWDM, LWDM, MWDM modules with ultra-low insertion loss and carrier-grade quality. It can solve the problem of fiber resource shortage and meet deployment requirements of the outdoor harsh environment. With more than 10 years of technology accumulation, GROWSFIBER has a number of certifications and licenses, as well as the design, coupling, and packaging capabilities of high-density optics and free space optics, precision mechanical design capabilities, automated packaging capabilities, and automated test capabilities. Through the one-stop automated production, mass production scale and yield rate far exceed the industry level. The company also has a complete reliability laboratory and equipment, which can ensure that products pass the industry's reliability tests. GROWSFIBER provides flexible OEM and ODM customized services to meet the needs of customers from single devices to integrated solutions. By continuously optimizing the service process, GROWSFIBER can quickly complete the design, shorten the product development cycle, and deliver to customers in time. GROWSFIBER is determined to become the most cost-effective enterprise in the field of passive optics and high-density optical connectivity.